Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is part 2, and I was not happy with the way that this got finished. The look of it just doesn't do it for me at all, so I'm going to grab some of my Floetrol, give it a quick stir, and I might put some of it out in my little dish. But right now I want to play with what I've got, and that would entail just adding a few colors together, including some black. I was sure that was going to be open, darn. Well, we could try it without that. Let's try it without that. Let's grab some Floetrol. Maybe I want a wavy swipe. That seems like it would be better coverage, doesn't it? Ooh, and I can scrape through. That's kind of neat. That's very neat. I like showing through the colors that are behind. I'm looking forward to having my gold open though, for sure. And in just a moment it will be, if all goes well. I love these sharp tweezers for winding into the tips of bottles and getting out whatever's in there. So this way I get to keep my beautiful center, which is sort of paramount for me right now, and I get to experiment with the colors that I want, which that was a Venetian blue and a purple flash from Folk Art and my regular black mixture. And that is a hot orchid from Color Art. And no matter what happens now, I'm just going to have some fun. I'm going to use whatever colors strike my fancy, and I'm going to put them in configurations that are different than each other. That is just a regular orange for me. This time I'm going to get to use the gold. So orange, hot orchid from Color Art, Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. Clean off my card. Maybe I will actually put some of this out in this little dish, because it's a lot easier than wiping it off the second side. So I don't mind if things show through, and I'm kind of interested to see how adept I am at allowing that to happen, to be honest with you. And I think it might be very interesting. Hopefully it'll be interesting for you too. Now I've got some of that color, and I'm going to wipe it off right there, because I don't see any reason to waste it. So far so good. I'm actually liking that a lot. And I'm sort of picking and choosing my colors. And everything is covering very nicely. And I'm getting to leave behind what I like, which makes me really happy. I might go from that pink out on both sides. We'll see what I feel like. So that's my plan right at this moment. I'm going to scrape off my card again. And I'm putting a fair amount of pressure down on the card. I really think it's not impossible that I might drag the tip through a few places. I love the color combinations, are really, really fun. For me at least, I like them. And I am giving a little bit of a wave. And it's always pretty organic when you're waving or swiping with Floetrol. So this is working. I'm so pleased. I can't tell you. I'm going to drag some of my color shifting turquoise into this mix. That's from Folk Art. And I'm thinking, because I can, the name of my first book next to my second book being Unlimited Possibilities, that I should just do whatever I want. And that might include what? Or better yet, what else? I want something that's not going to completely clash with everything. And I love the bits showing through because they weren't bad colors. They were certainly good colors. I might be very interested in putting a little more of this down. I love the Hot Orchid. I really don't want to see it gone. And I am getting to be, more elaborate here as I go along. With more colors. And I'm not making mud, which makes me happy. I want some blue right in there. And I didn't continue streaking, but it doesn't matter because I can still do that. Streaking, scraping, whatever you want to call it. She said she was streaking. Alright, so I'm loving this. And I could put wavy lines of any color I wanted in between too. And that's not a bad idea. So that one I'm just going to push down over the edge. So just a few more of these and I will be done. I'm thinking I really didn't use very much purple. And I'm able to add whatever I want so long as it... That's the dioxazine purple with the purple flash again. Let's grab some of this Hot Orchid. Let's just put all the colors on we want. I think I'm going to probably bring this turquoise and green color down that end, and I think that would be a good idea. I want a much smaller card right now, and I actually have a few of them. It's whether I've left them clean or not that counts. I kind of want some more black in there. I don't see that there was any. I'm going to try and keep using my Floetrol. I ran out of paint. But that's okay, because that gives me an opportunity to use more of the color that I like. So far so good. Camouflage is working well. I am very pleased with that. So I said I was going to use some more green and turquoise down here. This is a peacock turquoise. It's just what came to hand. I like the orange. I want to continue in that vein. Come out. And the black is still working pretty well. And I'll have just one more to do after this, and then I'll be done. So I should tell you guys what I probably tried to tell you in the last video too. There's over 91,000 of you subscribed, but it seems like I don't get preferential treatment placement. So if you want to be of assistance to me, and I'd really appreciate it, you could share my videos, and that would make me very happy, along with giving me a thumbs up. I'm not sure that there's anything you can do, but I do appreciate your comments. Every little bit you do to help, I appreciate, including shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you. I'm going to steal some of this paint. And just sort of, yeah, maybe I'll steal some more some other time. Let's just get on with it. You know what? I'm going to risk it. And I want some of this down here. So you have to kind of get used to how much you need to squish things. I love that I got to keep that. I kind of think I could do it again but I'm not sure it's worth the risk because I like the colors I have. As opposed to the color I just put down, which I'm going to fix, I hope. The Floetrol that's in my paint mixtures should fix that. I did say that I was contemplating adding some colors, right? There she goes, finger painting again. So one more and I'm done. And I want this one to be spectacular. I hope. I could have put some white metallic in there. I didn't even think to do that. Just putting all my colors in. And some black. I want to put some black right through the middle. I never put any gold in. I want some gold. It looks like more paint than I need, but so far I haven't had an overabundance, so I'm not too worried about that. Ooh, that was a nice stripe. I like that. I got to remember that. I've seen myself do that before. You put dots in and you pull stripes. So I might grab a skewer and drag a few lines through things. I love that. That is cool. So I'm really happy you guys were here for my success. I'm not sure I need to do anything much to it because I like these stripes with those stripes with, well, these aren't really very impressive stripes, but I could probably fix that. Now anything I put in here will flat. The Floetrol that I use in my paint mixture, my paint pouring recipes below the video, the Floetrol will flatten it out. And if I don't like this, I'll do something else. But I think I like that. That jumps the... I have this one dog hair clinging to some sticky little spot on my finger. I think that's going to blend just fine. I could put gold in there too, right? Yeah, you can't trust me to be done when I say I'm done. That's okay. I think another one of these at some other point in time, a double process swipe, might be kind of cool to just go through and add black lines, white lines, colored lines, whatever lines I want to. So please give me a thumbs up, like my videos, share my videos, watch them longer if it's at all possible. Watch at least 30 seconds of the commercials. It might be helpful to me because I'm not in a good position and it's looking kind of tenuous and I'd really like to stay. So anything that you guys want to do to help me out, I would appreciate. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on the link tree below the video. I do sell my artwork and selling a painting is a big deal for me. You can reach me by my email. It's underneath the link tree. Also, you can shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me buy art supplies eventually. You can find my 2 books there, volumes 1 and 2, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that. I have over 1,800 videos. I'm going to zoom in on this rather than just talk. And they're organized by the 100 and also by the playlist, topic and genre. Ooh, I really like this. This is just an explosion, a rainbow explosion. That is so cool. Thank you guys for being here. And check out my Teespring clothing below the video too, where you can find all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And if you can't find what you want, please ask for it and I will add it to either fineartamerica.pixels.com or Teespring. If you are looking for Facebook groups, I have a few. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students is on the link tree, along with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, which will take you to fineartamerica.pixels.com if you press the Shop Now button. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums that have some of the... there's a squirrel on my windowsill! That have the edited albums, or they have I have albums of edited artworks. That was so distracting. My community board has tomorrow's video, as well as Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. And if you need to have questions answered, please don't be shy. Go ahead and ask. I'll tell you if I know, and I'll tell you if I don't know. And I love you all, and please share my videos. It would be a big assistance. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.